We are now being joined by Bharatiya Janata Party MLA from Udhampur East, Ranbir Singh Pathania. Mr. Pathania, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India Today. Mr. Pathania, there was a heated exchange of words between you and National Conference MLA Saifullah Mir over the remarks he made inside the assembly. As we all know that he was raising questions pertaining to his constituency, but while saying that, he made highly controversial remark. He said that roads and other infrastructure in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir is better than Jammu and Kashmir.
Sir, double speak, deceit and diabolism, that is soaked deep in the veins of National Conference. This is what National Conference has been doing in Jammu and Kashmir since the past 7 decades also. So a country and a state which has been projecting, promoting and virtually fanning flames of terrorism on the Indian soil, which is the main springboard of narco-terrorism in the entire country. We have almost zero and not diplomatic relations with Pakistan. Our cricket team has also refused to play on the Pakistani soil, and I want to enlarge the argument a bit in a bit expensive way. That this is not regarding not only Bharat Sarkar and Indian cricket team also. This is the collective sentiment of the people of India. So if a legislator who is elected and virtually who swears by the Constitution of India and he sings sermons and lullabies for Pakistan, so I think the National Conference needs to explain. Omar Abdullah needs to explain, because the people of Jammu and Kashmir want to know what is the exact stand of National Conference and why this Pakistani love, why this pro-Pakistan love for Pakistan.
Mr. Pathania, in the recent past, we have seen that people in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir have been staging protests, mass protests, and they have been saying that they have been deprived of their civil rights, political rights, and there is no infrastructure in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Now, a sitting MLA of the ruling party in Jammu and Kashmir is saying that infrastructure is better on the other side of the LOC. You have demanded that his remarks should be expunged from the official records. What has been the response of the speaker so far, and are you also going to write to the Honorable Speaker of the Assembly?
Absolutely. I think the Honorable Speaker will take a call. If he doesn't take a call, we will take the immediate corrective measures. But each and everybody knows that Pakistan is itself in the throes of a worst economic political crisis. And not only to speak of the people on this side of the border, these people in Baloch, in Sindh, and particularly in the Pak-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, people are without basic human rights also. They don't have a right to vote even. Not all the people have a right to vote there. So they are in a worst crisis. No drinking water, no electricity, no roads, and virtually no system at all. No certainty at all. No political certainty at all. So
Sajad Lone has once again raised the bogey of Article 370 inside the Assembly, and now he has also staged walkout. Your reaction?
you see, Article 370 is now a dead horse. And flogging a dead horse will not yield anything. I have already said that there was nothing like special status. Though Jammu and Kashmir was given a special provision, which was purely temporary in nature. This is, I don't say this is what the Constitution of India said. This is what the Constituent Assembly of the Bharat said. So it was a purely temporary provision which has virtually been done away with. But not by me or Bharatiya Janata Party, both the houses of the parliament. And this action has virtually finds favor. And virtually there is a stamp with regard to the said action by the Constitution bench of the Supreme Court of India. So I think there is no scope, no virtually system at all. These things need to be done, I think.
Many thanks for speaking to India.
Thank you.
So that was Ranbir Singh Pathania, BJP MLA, speaking exclusively to India Today. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.